Yo, Sakafet, I am about to create a beat, and the guitar sample that I have, I say, okay, I have to record this one. This beat cannot be anything else than fire. Fire, guys. So I am trying to revive my type beat account, and I am creating beat every day now. I'm gonna share with you a method that I use that make me create beat faster. So this is the sample that I have. I don't even have to chop it because this sample is for me. It's not gonna be sent for other producers, so I'm gonna be the one using it. It's a fire sample. It's the same thing, so we can loop it now. The first thing is going to be adding a piano or an E piano underneath of it, like create the chord progression. I am gonna go with the additive key, which is one of my favorite instrument right now. Let's go to the Mark 1, and then we'll go to the real stereo. I love using this preset a lot. And now we're going to try to figure out the note or the chord. Okay, I think they keep cover. Okay, that's the chord progression. Let me just try to write this is a C. It's gonna be a C minor, I think. Okay, now we create the chord. This one is gonna be a major alt. Oh, so we play with the velocity and alt X, so we load again. The velocity again. Okay, another thing we can do is like copy all the low note, so we have them as our bass note right there, and then so once you find your chord progression, the next thing is gonna be creating the drum. So one thing I do to make my process go faster, I just use a drum loop. Sometimes I use the drum loop, and then later if I don't like it, I can change it. So I'll go to one of my drum kit and then grab a drum loop that's on fire with the melody that I have. Let's say okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Like you see, now you have a demo and it sounds crazy fire. And the next thing gonna be adding a bass, because you really need bass to bring more emotion, to bring uh a vibe to your beat. And let's say that we add the sine bass. Let's go. Okay, now let's try to create something that sounds good. Okay, let me lower it again. We slide it. Sheesh. Okay, we go 1 2 step, and then boom, we have it. That's a vibe right there. I have my first beat for the day, and it is crazy fire. I think I need maybe a drum fill. Let's go to this one. Let's try this right there. That's nice. That's nice. That's crazy fire. Okay, let's say that we bring this right there. We start this as our intro, and then go to fire. We use my tag.
Purchase your.
Okay, this one additive key. Let's call this one our key. And then sign bass, we split by channel. This is how I work when I have the vibe, but sometimes when I have beat block, bro, I'm telling you, it's hard. It can be hard. So don't think that everything work that way every single time. Okay, I wanna do something right there is like create another section for the beat. Let's say that we add maybe let's see contact 8. We are going to try to find something maybe violent, anything. So let's go to quiz and violin, and then we try to create some crazy good emotion. Okay, let's go. We are going to freestyle live. Okay, we are going to try to create emotion with the velocity. Like we start, and then it's like this is going to create more emotion, and then we will have a pattern that sounds really crazy. Let's record it real quick. 1 4 steps. Let's go here. Okay. And then we have it again. I think the first one can be a little bit lower. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I think in this same drum loop we have this that we can add. Let's say we add all our drum on the top. What is happening with the first video now? I want this to be on cell, and then we have this here. And let me go to the Afrobeat bundle volume 1, Kaza, and then I want FX. I want this to be here, like you have this right here. I think right there I wanna create a drop. Okay, let's say that we add some, sorry, some crazy, sorry, comment Z. I want to remove all those right there. Okay, let's say that we wanna add some crazy log drum right there. Okay. Okay, hi. Let's add a pattern to it. This one is our violin. Violin, and then the next pattern is going to be our log drum. Okay, let's add the floaty GX thing. Bam bouton, bam bouton, dun dun dun, dun dun dun. Okay, let's add this right there, and we'll go to 1/4 step. Okay, I think it's too fast. Okay, maybe okay, this one we can combine it with another bass. Let's go to the Afrobeats volume 2, and then we go to preset, and I'm going to use the smoothie. Okay, I love it now. Okay, we copy this and then we pass it in there. Okay, now we wanna add another log drum just to add this. Just this one right there. One note. That's a vibe. That's a crazy vibe. So you can do anything you want with this beat. Once you have this right there, try to find 1 or 2 vocal chop, and then we're good. And start creating with 100 of free preset. Okay, I'm going to install it. No problem. Instrument 2 active install. That is for free, guys. We're gonna try it. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a full tutorial on it. We'll go to vocals.
I can see you.
I don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna find the vocal chop I want. So let me go with those and see what we get now. this one need reverb, and then I think it's going to sit right. Little plate verb. This one gonna sit right. Okay, let's go. This one I can use as a transition here. That's crazy. Nice. Maybe we just cut this one in there, and then boom, we have the one that we want. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I have my beat. That's a vibe. And then we add this crash right here. Okay. That's crazy. I love that bit. We don't need this right there. So yeah, that's the vibe, guys. That's the vibe. Let me know in the comment section if you love this format where I'm creating beat and then just record my screen, share the process with you. And I think I am going to drop more of those code. You see, we find a nice vibe, and I am going also to post where I'm struggling and our manage to find solutions. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you love this vibe. And now I'm gonna let you enjoy it.